Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our current school morning routine. I am a mom of 2 kiddos and both of my kids are in elementary school, and I've been asked several times to do this video, so I thought it would be fun to share with you guys what our mornings look like on a school day. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump into our morning routine. So my alarm goes off every morning at 6:05, and I am a one alarm type of person. Y'all let me know, do you have multiple alarms every day, or do you only set one? I sleep till the latest possible minute, so I only set one and jump right up and get started. And the first thing that I always have to do is brush my teeth before I can get my day going. And this particular day was a Friday that I was filming, and we always do a fun Friday breakfast. So we were doing cinnamon rolls this morning, and so I'm just going to go ahead and pull those out and cook them because they take a little bit longer than our normal breakfasts do. So I went ahead and started those before we went and got the kids up. Then when it's time to get the kids up, we usually get them up around 6:15, so we are pretty quick in the mornings. We don't have long. We have to leave by about 7 o'clock each morning. So we usually go upstairs and just bring the kids downstairs to start waking up. We turn the TV on. They usually watch like Puppy Dog Pals or some show on Netflix, something like that, while they are waking up. But the absolute latest that we can leave in the morning is at 7:10 in order to make it to school on time and get through the car rider drop off and all of that. So I'm interested to know what time your kids' school starts in the morning. I know ours is super early, but I do like it because they get done really early and we have a lot of time to do homework and all before we get started on sports in the afternoon, or they have time to play with their friends before dinner, things like that. And there, I'm just throwing down their clothes while I go turn off their fans and things in their rooms. The next thing I do is I start packing lunches and snacks and water bottles, all of that good stuff. Gracie June pretty much eats a packed lunch every day, but Kason, we go through on Sundays and look at our menu and decide which days he wants to eat a packed lunch or school lunch. So I'm just packing Gracie June's because he is eating lunch at school this day. But I always pack them a snack as well and a water bottle. So I'm going to do that next after I pack Gracie June's lunch. And we have a basket full of snacks that we have in our pantry, and I just usually pull out of that. Sometimes we will make them a mixed bag of snacks, and then sometimes we'll do the easy route, which today I decided to go easy and just do a pack of crackers.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you.
So now that the cinnamon rolls are done, I'm going to pull them out of the oven and just put the icing on top, and then I just usually use paper plates in the morning. It depends on what they're eating. If Kason has like eggs and toast and things like that, then I'll actually use a regular plate that has the dividers in it because he does not like his food to touch. but most of the time we just use paper plates, and then they'll either have milk or orange juice with their breakfast.
I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be
Cinnamon.
Yummy! Don't you smile?
I love cinnamon, yes.
Then usually while the kids are eating, or about 10 or 15 minutes before we are ready to go, I'll go ahead and make my coffee for the morning because I like to drink this while I'm driving them to school. And don't ask me why, but for some reason I always like to drink out of this Murphy's coffee cup. It's just from the gas station that Chance got a while back, and I don't know why I like it, but I like to use this on the mornings that I'm drinking coffee in the car. And we usually just use the Great Value Donut Shop brand from Walmart for our coffee. It tastes really good. And then of course I will use some creamer, and I like the French vanilla.
It's not called the spear. Jesus, Jesus, the silent spear.
All right. After the kids have eaten their breakfast, this is when we usually get them dressed. And just so you guys know, Chance is not always here with me in the mornings. Most mornings he's not. Most mornings he's gone and gets up around like 5, or he's usually out the door by 6. But on this particular morning, he happened to be home, and I'd already planned on filming this routine, so he was in it. And this is just what it looks like when he's here. So after we get them dressed, which we always do downstairs, then I will do their hair, and I just use a Dollar Tree spray bottle with water in it and brush their hair, and then they will brush their teeth, and we will get out the door. And in our car, we do have a DVD player, so sometimes we will play movies, sometimes they just play with their toys, and sometimes they even want me to just turn the music up and jam out on the way to school. So after I get back home from dropping the kids off, I will either work out if it's a workout day, or if it's not, then I'll go ahead and fix myself some breakfast. And on this particular day, I had eggs, and I sat down and went ahead and did my quiet time, and my small group was reading this book. It's called The Grace of God by Andy Stanley. We are finished with it now, but if you're looking for a really good book, then I highly recommend this one. And then I will do my Bible time. Now, I'm not perfect with this. I'm not claiming to be perfect with this. There are definitely days where I don't get my quiet time in, but my day does not go as smoothly as it does on the days that I do get my quiet time in. So on this particular day, I was going to the greening of the fountain in Savannah, which St. Patrick's Day is super huge here, so that's why they do that. So I went ahead and took a shower, and then I was letting my hair air dry. So while I did that, I went ahead and did my morning cleaning routine, which is pretty much just making up my bed and tidying up the kitchen, things like that from the morning. After I was finished tidying up, I went ahead and blow dried and straightened my hair, and I always blow dry my hair and straighten it in sections just because my hair is pretty thick. And then I put on some makeup and got ready, and my makeup routine literally only takes me like 5 minutes just because I don't wear a ton of makeup. I never have, but since starting YouTube, I definitely use a lot more makeup than I used to. I do it a lot more often than I used to, but if you guys have any favorite beauty products, then let me know in the comments below because I love trying new things, and it's gotten a lot more fun since I've started doing my makeup. And I just dressed pretty casual today because I knew that we were going to be out in the park and we were doing a little picnic. My friends dressed way cuter than I did, and I wish I would have gotten the memo. But it was so much fun. My friend Jessie, you guys have seen her on my channel before. Her Instagram is Just Trying Recipes, and she made this super cute cheese charcuterie tray. And we just had a fun little picnic and watched the fountain turn green. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing a school day morning routine of a mom of two and just little snippets of our lives. I know the greening of the fountain is not a normal event, but I hope you enjoyed it anyways. And if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! You look really scary in this light.
It's the lights how they come out. They don't go down, they go out. So it blinds you. You gotta look up.
Daddy, you said cinnamon.
That's what it is. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
They're teaching you wrong in school. It's cinnamon.
It's cinnamon.
Cinnamon. There's
Cinnamon.
no M's.
Yes, there
It's all M's. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
There you go. Perfect.
Cinnamon.
That's right.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.